Today we are looking, just having a look at the HP Envy x360. Yeah, this one has got, as it says here, the audio by Bang & Olufsen, so it should be fairly good audio. This machine has already been opened, and so yeah, I'm just gonna show you around the box what you get on the, or what there is to read on the sides. There's a little list of what's the specs on this machine. This is the Ryzen 5, so this is a fourth gen CPU, if I understand that correctly. 4500, so it's got a 512 gig SSD, as you can see. I know it says Windows 8, but I think this one is already loaded with Windows 10. So this is maybe not the newest machine on the market, but yeah, 8 gig of RAM and a nice hard drive. This one even comes with a pen, so we'll see how that looks, because this is like a tablet. So yeah, there you can also see Windows 10. I don't know why it says Windows 8 on the other sticker, but yeah, that's HP for you. So this is the HP Envy x360, the convertible one. So let's see, this is a 13-inch laptop. As I said, this one has already been opened. It normally comes in some other packaging than this. This has been this bag was requested. This is like a little sleeve. Normally the laptops come in some other kind of packaging over here. So let's just take that out of the sleeve and put it here on the side. We'll have a look at the laptop now. And you get this little pamphlet with that shows you how to charge the thing and do what with the thing. All the necessary steps to follow. And on this one, yeah, there you go. You get your capacitive pen, or I don't know if it's capacitive pen, but this is active for whatever pen. So it's got pressure sensitive tips and buttons, and it just works with the touchscreen very nicely. There's your normal little HP charging brick. So this is a 65 watt charging brick, and it's also got the good old HP little pin in the middle. You get your normal or your standard power cord with the package. Will be different for other countries. So let's get this out of the way. Alright, so let's have a look at the laptop. Maybe first we should have a look at this little pen it comes with. You get this capacitive, the smart pen with, there's tips are falling out all over the place. Okay, you get these two little tips with. Let's get the pen out, put that aside so I can show you guys. This is tips that you get with. There it shows you get the pen, the tips, and this is a little charger. So this is the little pen. It says here you have to charge it first, before you use it. And the way you charge it is just by opening up this little tab. Yeah, and there you've got your Type-C port where you can charge the pen. Let's have a look at the machine. So what we have here is a very nice design. It's got like a matte finish. This is a grey kind of a color. Does leave a bit of fingerprints, but all of these machines, all of the laptops does. This is the front of the machine. On the side you've got your Type-C port there. You've got oh no, this is actually a USB port. USB port that's slim line, and there you've got your audio jack. At the back of the machine you've got cooling vents. Yeah, that does look as if the machine is gonna really need some cooling, but there you go. It says NV also on this little hinge here. On the other side you've got your card reader, SD card reader, and then there's another USB port. Also, like I'm used to this, is actually like network ports that's got this kind of a design, but that's the USB, and there's your charging hole for your charger. This is the back of the machine. Does look like it's got appropriate holes here for cooling, and I don't know if the audio also comes through there, but you've got your audio perforation on the sides here where the speakers are. So let's open it up, and I can easily open it up actually. This is the layout of the keyboard. This machine, at the top there, it's got a little camera hidden behind the glass. You can't clearly see it, but it's there. There's also the NV logo, or the HP logo. There's the NV logo. This one is as I said, Ryzen 5. It's got the Radeon, and let's open it up a bit more. So this is the layout of the keyboard, and I'm already opening up the machine, 180 degrees from the side. So the 360 name, the NV x360, means that you can actually flip it around and then use it. Okay, so there is your fingerprint reader, which they talk about. So this will be for your unlocking your machine. So it's not built into the chassis or anything like that. It's just right there like a button. So let's switch it on. This one has already been charged. There comes a little light there. This is a backlit keyboard. Let's quickly turn off the lights. There you go. You can see it's a backlit keyboard. Let's quickly see how bright it can be. Okay, that's dim. It looks like it's dimming. Or not. Oh, okay. I don't need to push down the function button. I think this is already on function. So that's the brightest that the backlit keyboard is. That's the dimmer, and that's the off position. So, all right. So that was the keyboard. Let's quickly have a look at the screen. It's got a very nice and bright screen actually. Let me just get that brightness all the way up. The camera doesn't actually show how nice and bright this is, but it's very clear. So let's see the touch on the screen. I don't know if it does work. It's just a normal touch screen, and as I said, if you turn it into a tablet mode, let's just do that. So immediately it disables the keyboard. I'm gonna press the Windows button. Doesn't do anything. So the keyboard is now disabled, and you hold the laptop on the back by the keyboard. You put your hand on the keyboard, and it's a bit weird. You can feel the buttons and everything. But in any case, and it does tilt if you tilt it. In any case, so now it's a tablet, and that's cool. Now it's a laptop again. What I do like about this machine is it is very light. I do not know the battery life on these. I believe that it will be good. Anything else, anything more on this machine, I won't be able to tell you. This was just a quick look at how it looks and what you get from buying this machine. So hopefully this will just show you a little bit of information on this. I know there's lots of videos of this, but maybe you're watching my video. So thanks for watching. Have a great one. Just joking. I am going to quickly go to audio video. The touchpad is very nice to work with. Wow. Ah. Well, okay, cool. So it's got lots of sound. You'll definitely be able to listen or check a video out on this, or listen to whatever songs you want. It doesn't have a lot of bass, but I mean, what can you suspect from a body this size? And two little speakers. I haven't opened up one of these yet, but I believe these little speakers are, again, very, very small. But they say it's Bang & Olufsen, so